Welcome to Fab Exclusive. Ethical hacking is one of the highest paying skills in 2026. But here's the truth. 90% of beginners fail. Not because hacking is difficult, but because they skip the foundation steps. In this video, I'll explain 7 important steps you must follow to become an ethical hacker, explained in simple language. No confusion, no fake motivation. If you follow these steps in order, you can go from beginner to professional hacker. Before hacking computers, you must understand computers. Learn how an operating system works: Windows, Linux, Mac. Understand files, folders, RAM, CPU, storage. If you don't know how a computer works, hacking will feel like magic. And magic never works in real life. Hacking mostly happens over networks. You must understand IP address, your digital home address. DNS converts website name to IP. Ports, doors of a system. Protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, and FTP. If networking is weak, you'll never understand how attacks actually work. Ethical hackers use Linux, especially Kali Linux. You must learn basic commands like ls, cd, mkdir, rm, and sudo. Don't fear the terminal. Once Linux becomes comfortable, hacking becomes much easier. Now, understand how hacking actually works. Learn what is vulnerability, exploit, and payload. Understand attacks like phishing, SQL injection, XSS, and malware. Ethical hacking is not guessing passwords. It's finding weaknesses, logically. Tools don't make you a hacker. Knowledge does. But tools help you work faster. Start with Nmap for scanning, Burp Suite for web testing, Metasploit for exploitation. Learn why tools work, not just how to click. Watching videos is not practice. You must hack legally on labs. Best platforms are TryHackMe and HackTheBox. Start easy. Break machines. Learn from mistakes. This step turns theory into skill. Finally, career. You can choose cybersecurity jobs, penetration testing, or bug bounty. Certifications help a lot: CEH, Security Plus, and OSCP. Build skills first. Certificates come later. Companies pay for skills, not shortcuts. Remember, hacking is not illegal when done ethically. Follow these 7 steps in order. Stay consistent. Practice daily. If you want a full roadmap or next video, comment hacking below. Subscribe for more tech skills content.